guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a very easy 3-ingredient Nutella mousse. So the ingredients that you need are, of course, you'll be needing some Nutella. Along with it, I'm using Amul fresh cream and some powdered sugar. Now the tip over here is, if you freeze your bowl before whipping your cream, it just helps and it makes the process more quick for whipping your cream. So let's start by first whipping our cream, because that's the only part where we have to use. So now our cream is in our bowl, so it's time to whip it. Now I prefer using a hand mixer over here. Now if you use a normal manually, if you're doing by hand, it will take a long period of time, so I prefer using a hand mixer. So let's go ahead and start whipping our cream. Cream decides to jump out of your bowl, so what you can do is you can just tilt your bowl to one side and then slowly, on setting 1 of your stand mixer over here, start whipping it like this. So it goes on 1, then you start. So this process is going to take a lot of time, so I'm just gonna time lapse it and fast forward it. So now we have come halfway here, so you can see the consistency. It's thick, but it needs to be whipped more so that soft peaks are found. So this is the step when you add your powdered sugar. Now you can add the powdered sugar as per your sweet preference. So if you want too much sweet, you can add more or less. 1 spoon of powdered sugar, maybe a little more. That's it. And let's continue whipping it. So it's almost there, we just need to whip it a little more. So this is the step when you add your Nutella. When you open your Nutella, you will find that there is one oil inside it. I don't know if you can see in the video. I'll just show. You can see this oil. So this is the hazelnut oil. So in case if you don't mix it well and you directly use it, so you tend to use the oil. So if you use the oil in your cream, there's it might start, if you add this oil to this, eventually it will start to tear up and it will be all crumbly in texture, just like cottage cheese or paneer. So just give this a mix so that the oil goes down or it gets mixed well. Okay, so now let's add Nutella. Now you can add Nutella as much as you want or as little. Just be generous with the Nutella. The minute you add Nutella to your whipped cream, it just smells so good. Now let's whip this together. Okay. Oh, the smell. You can see how it changes the color and you get this chocolatey color which you see in the stores. Our Nutella mousse is all ready. You can see how rich it looks and just look at the texture. It is still a little runny, but as you set it in the fridge for like an hour or so, it will get all nice and airy and fluffy. So I'm gonna serve my Nutella mousse in short glasses. You can use any glass of your choice. So I'm gonna fill my short glasses. Just like that. Just knead the edges with the help of a tissue paper. So our Nutella mousse are all ready. It's been like an hour and they are nice and set. So let's remove the foil. You can see the air bubbles, right? That is what I was talking about. So initially it was a little runny mixture. When we poured it, it was shot glasses, and then when you set it in the fridge for like an hour, you will get this air bubbles, and trust me, it's gonna taste amazing. So let's remove the foil from all our shot glasses. You can see the air bubbles. So now it's time to decorate it. You can decorate it with anything. I'm just gonna use plain Nutella. You can also decorate it with some fruits or dry fruits on top, maybe some almonds or hazelnuts. So I'm just gonna take some Nutella, just swirl it around, and maybe just make a nice dripping of it. So what you're doing is just shaking your hand so that the Nutella drips. And there you have it, our Nutella mousse are all ready. I can't wait to dig in one. So let's dig in. Wow, look at the air bubbles in it. That's a perfect bite. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you try out this recipe, don't forget to leave me your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.